written to the Honorable Chief Minister expressing my fears with respect to doubling of the South Western Railway track, and based on that letter the Honorable Chief Minister called for a meeting with the South Western Railway officials along with the concerned representatives of the constituencies through which the route passes. And at the meeting different issues were discussed related to the doubling of the South Western Railway track, and at this meeting I made my objections to this very clear. So the Honorable Chief Minister has been very sensitive, and he has now requested the South Western Railway Authority to carry out a survey throughout the route to ensure what is the damage that will be caused by way of houses, by way of infrastructure that will have to be put in place, because this railway line will further divide the villages, and as of now the people are facing hardships. All this has been explained, so they are looking into all the issues that have been mentioned, and I am sure that with the presence of the Honorable Chief Minister, the right decision will be taken.